Oh, no. Okay, thank you very much. But we encourage you to attend the BCPP activities so that later on you will be considered as regular breakfasters and you will soon be qualified to attend our Christian Life program and eventually become a regular BCPP member. Okay po. Galing ano? Yes, sabi niya kanina, I want to join this community na ngayon. At this juncture, allow me to acknowledge our guests from other chapters and of course, yes, we have a guest from BCPP Makati. Brother Benji, our guest, Sige, Sis Eva, and Sis Marel Sige. BCPP Makati. Sila ata yung nagdala ng BCPP dito sa Igaspi, di ba? Yes, of course. And of course, we want to acknowledge our visitors from Birab Mission. So, balita baga naman si Inday sa Catanduanes, Northern and Central Catanduanes, pero nagagi sa Legaspi. Kaya sinataligid. Thank you very much for coming in, brothers and sisters. And of course, from Sorsogon chapter. Wala ko siya si Architect Terry. Thank you very much. Kasi hindi ko naman para mag-recognize ang aking mga acknowledgement. Thank you very much for coming. And of course, there are second timers around. Jude Santiago. Jude. Second timers na. And mga four timers na. Four. Regular breakfasters na ito. Si Simeon Berlion. Nakasabuhin mo po ito. Si Morrison Arreglo. And Jonel Arreglo. Wow, thank you for coming. So the Lord, God is really good. In spite of Inday. Natuloy ang ating anniversary. So walang Inday. Di ba? The weather is so fine now. Looking outside. Wala nang hangin. Wala nang ulan. Except doon para sa Misericordia. Maparos na naman sa Misericordia. Sa paano, higher ground siya. Anyway, thank you very much. We come now to the most important part of our program this afternoon, which is the sharing. Our couple sharing this afternoon is not familiar to all of us. Sila po ang dating area manager ito ng Bicol area and of course, a successful businessman. Brothers and sisters, help me in welcoming our sharers, Mr. and Mrs. Fabi Njip from Sorsogon Chapter. Before we share our journey with the Lord, allow me first to begin a